Scared on stage, but today I'm little tensed. ನಾನು ಸ್ನೇಹಜೀವಿ, ನೀನು ಸ್ನೇಹಜೀವಿ, ಲೋಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ನೇಹ ಚಿರಂಜೀವಿ, ಆಡುವಾರೋ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಜೀವಿ, ಸ್ನೇಹಜೀವಿಗೆ ಹೃದಯಪೂರ್ವಕ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರಗಳು ಸರ್. Today, like, we don't have Ambrish Anna, Vishnu sir with us, but today when I saw you, I could see them through you, sir. I could see them through you. ఒక జర్నీ ఉంది సార్ నాది. ఒక స్కూల్ టీచర్ సన్ నేను. ఒక విలేజ్ నుంచి వచ్చి సినిమాకి వచ్చి సినిమాలో హీరోగా చేసి చాలా చాలా ఫెయిల్యూర్స్ చూసి తర్వాత మా శివన్నతో ఒక ఫిల్మ్ పడింది టగరు. అక్కడి నుంచి డాలి అయి మా కన్నడ మాస్కి రీచ్ అయ్యాను. అక్కడి నుంచి మళ్ళీ విలన్గా చేస్తూ మళ్ళీ like with all the money I got from the villain, I produced a film called Badava Rascal. Then akkadi nunchi malli heroga journey start ayindi. Akkadi nunchi Pushpa, now Zebra. So enduku ee journey nen cheptanante ee journey lo without background, when we come, when we feel rejected, when we feel defeated, when we see failures, we need someone to inspire us. We need someone to inspire us. Some journeys inspire us. I used to look for all legendary actors' journeys. And one of the best journeys which inspired me was your journey, sir. Oka police constable son, career lo villain chesi, hero ga chesi, megastar aipoyi, mass leader aipoyi. So oka like building such an empire, it's such a great inspiration for all talents like us. So thank you sir, thanks to my brother, my friend Satyadev, for asking me for this project, for referring me, and today it's such a good memory, lifetime memory for me to meet Chiranjeevi garu. And my bad, I missed missing with Chiranjeevi sir in Valter Viraya. I had to do the Bobby Simha's role. I missed it. It's my bad, but I would love to work with you, sir. I would love to work with you. Thanks. మీ ఆశీర్వాదం మన మీద ఉండాలి, మా ఫిల్మ్ మీద ఉండాలి. సత్యదేవ్ ఆల్వేస్ యూస్ టు టెల్ మీ, అక్కడ కన్నడలో మీకు శివన్న ఎలాగో అలాగే నాకు ఇక్కడ నా చిరంజీవి అన్నయ్య. So he has told me many times. Thank you, sir. Thank you for standing with all such talents. Satya is an amazing talent, and everyone knows. I'm sure I'm going to see my brother reach higher and higher. And thanks to director Prashant Verma, we loved your film Hanuman. We want to see more of your films. And then Ravi Garu for Pushpa and for everything. And my producers, S.N. Reddy sir, Bala and Dinesh, and all my co-actors, Amrita, Jennifer, everyone. Thank you very much. And I know మా తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకులు ఎలా సెలబ్రేట్ చేస్తారని నేను విట్నెస్ చేశాను. నేను కూడా థియేటర్లో తెలుగు ప్రేక్షకుల మధ్య ఫిల్మ్స్ కూడా చూశాను. జీబ్రా డెఫినెట్గా ఒక కంప్లీట్ ఫ్యామిలీ ఎంటర్టైనర్, మాస్ ఎంటర్టైనర్, డెఫినెట్గా ఎంటర్టైన్ చేస్తుంది. Like you should watch the film in theater. It's definitely a theater experience. Please do watch in theaters. And thanks to you, Pushpa tarvata nannu mana Jali Reddy antunnaru, Manod antunnaru. Thank you very much. Thanks for that. I would love to work in more projects here. And ನನ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ರೇಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಜೀಬ್ರಾ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಕೇಳ್ತಿರ್ತೀರ, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಭಾಷೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂತ. ಜೀಬ್ರಾ ಕನ್ನಡಕ್ಕೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಹುಡುಗರೇ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಡೇರ್ ಡೆವಿಲ್ ಮುಸ್ತಫಾ ತಂಡ ಡಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾಗೆ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡದ ಒಳ್ಳೊಳ್ಳೆ ಕಲಾವಿದರು ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನವಂಬರ್ 22ಕ್ಕೆ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆ. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಥಿಯೇಟ್ರಲ್ಲೇ ಬಂದು ಸಿನಿಮಾ ನೋಡಿ ಹರಿಸಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.